My dude hadn't said one word. He's like, yo, let's fight, man. Forget all this talking. Yo, he ain't said one word. He just throwing them fists and them feet. Dodge. Woo! And he still blocked all that. But his agility is crazy. My old self is long gone. So these two have a history with one another. Okay, kick, punch. No solid hit has landed yet. Oh, that was tricky. Woo! That was an overhead. Hold on, is that a crescent? Overhead. He must know Taekwondo or some shit. He said, I didn't know Sakagu-chan could talk that much. Your heavy reliance on pure strength. Stupidly serious. Nothing interesting about it at all. Bro, they have yet to land an attack yet. They're still guarding and dodging.